And so a narrow smile, people say, well, wait a minute, my teeth are worn down. What am I going to do now? Well, here's a guy, he's got the roller coaster bite going for him, and his teeth are worn down, and they're short, they're yellow, he's unhappy. Not a single tooth was drilled down. He didn't get any shots. And so we're now going to try to fix a very difficult case. And we start off with the jaw track, jaw position. We figure out where should his jaw be. People are grinding a lot of times because their teeth are not in the right position. Their bite and their jaw joints are kind of fighting each other their entire lifetime. The idea of this method is to get the jaw in a position where it lines up with the jaw joints. And unfortunately, when your teeth erupt or when a dentist makes your teeth straight, that doesn't necessarily mean that your jaw is in the position it's supposed to be in. Most people do not have the right size to their teeth and the jaw position that they were structurally meant to have. And so we took him from this to this and never even gave him a shot. No drilling, no braces, no surgery, no crowns, no veneers. All Benlay's new bite, and it's much safer, far more predictable because we test it first with jaw track. We know you know what you're going to look like. You can see your face, put jaw track in, bite. You're now looking at your new jawline. Boom. Want to look at your profile? Put it in, look at your profile, take it out, bite, look at your profile. Put it in, bite, look at your profile. You're seeing what you're getting before we do any treatment to your teeth. You can't do that with jaw surgery. You can't do that with braces. You can't do that with palatal splitters. You can't fix worn down teeth with jaw surgery. So my point is this is a comprehensive method that tries to deal with every element of you. We're trying to make we're trying to give you the best version of you. And so here he is, before and after, loves how he looks. This has been in for many years. He's comfortable, he looks good. This is the facelift dentistry method. It corrects bites. It is health care. It is a high level of dental health care. This is complicated, hard to do. I'm the only one doing it, and I've developed them. I'm the one that invented the facelift dentistry method because all of the other methods looked really, really painful. I would see what my patients looked like after they came back. Some of them didn't like how they looked after jaw surgery. Imagine going through that and not liking how you look. Well, now I can even take care of people that have had jaw surgery with the facelift dentistry method. If you've had your teeth all ground down, no problem. If you've had porcelain veneers, no problems. You can have the jawline you are meant to have.